Look at this, 1986 Mercury Capri McLaren conversion, which would have turned this into a two-seat little roadster. If you're not familiar with the McLarens, in 1986 there was 245 convertibles made. So this is one of 245 that was made. This is also an extremely low-mile example. Very nice shape. Paint on it, as you can see, has a very nice luster to it. It's powered by the 5.0 liter. By the way, this right there is not a chip, not something that's on the hood, because like I said, this paint is in extremely nice shape. If you want to take a look at the front fascia, the front of that hood, there's just not much for imperfections in this. Anyway, back to powered by the 5.0 liter. 1986 happened to be the first year the carburetor was gone. So they went to the SE FI engine, which got rid of the carburation and EFI engine. So you get rid of the nightmares and the problems with that. So much more desirable 5.0 in these. As you can see, this was a wheel that was specially made for the McLarens, which is stamped. I don't think you're going to be able to see it, but it was actually stamped. Here you go. Maybe you can see it right here. So it is the original McLaren wheels in this. Those are also in very nice shape. The top is blue in color, so it matches, part of the interior here. These were actually compartments that they put in the back for storage. Owner's manual, original owner's manual there. Also one on the other side. They had a little higher quality Kenwood stereo that they put in these. As you can see, the Recaro seats were also added. This particular one is an automatic. Very cool cars. 86 would have been the last year of the Capri also. So in 87 they went to the Mustang McLarens, started converting those. If you'd like to check out the underside picture of this, engine bay, interior, trunk, see how clean this car is, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. McLaren badging strictly back here. See how straight everything is, how nice everything fits. So ASC McLaren badging over here. So, very nice original car. Take a look at the interior here. You can see that the leather has aged a little, just due to, I would say, heat with the top down and just age of the leather. Nothing some nice leather conditioner, leather cream wouldn't help to bring back. Original miles on the car is 24,831. This particular car came to us, 5-6 years ago. With the original miles, we sold it to a local collector here that traded it in with a Corvette and got himself into a 2012 Boss Mustang. That's kind of the story behind it. I'm going to go ahead and fire it up in here. There's been no engine modifications, no exhaust modifications to it. See how easily it starts. No lights on. Gauges work. Check out the dash. That would have actually been a radar detector that was installed when McLaren did the conversions. You see the difference they went with the armrests, controls for the lock and mirrors and everything. They're kind of making a luxurious package out of the Capri. It's kind of what McLaren was doing with it, as well as turning it into that two-seat roadster. Yeah, remember in 1986, this would have been a little higher end convertible, no doubt about that. See how nice the doors close, how nice everything fits. Come around to the back, no crazy exhaust, anything like that on it. Like I said, check out the underside pictures of this. You'll see how beautiful this car really is. You're also going to see how solid and clean the underside of this car is. And those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Like I said earlier, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. I'm going to pause this video here for a second and pop the hood too, so you can get an idea how clean that engine bay is. Alright, so there's the 5.0 underneath the hood once I got it propped and popped open. You can see, again, just extremely clean for a mid-80s car. And you just don't see these around that much anymore. Kind of a true 80s collector car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. And or, like I said, that website is uniqueclassiccars.com.